Hi guys, this is Launch 431V iPad 8-inch for auto diagnosis. With this product you have this Bluetooth connector which can be used for 16 pin in your car. If you have an older version, you have other wires and pins, you can use it. With this package you can list of all the things here in the bag. We also have the user pin and the password to register online. This is the initial English manual. This is the software of the Launch 431V. You have to click it, then log in, and if you're a new register, so you have to click on the new registration. You have to fill up all the points. Today we are using some informations. Now we are done with the registration. Now we are in the second part, activate connector, and in this activate connector we have to input the username, the pin number here, and the secret pin in the second part. Then click activate. We are done with the registration part. Now we have to download the software. Today we are going to download the Volkswagen's software. So Volkswagen is VW, we choose Volkswagen and update. It's done. After download, now we can see software already downloaded successfully. Now confirm. Now we have to choose Europe, then VW, as we are working on Volkswagen. Now here confirm is there. Now we are in the car and we can connect with this Bluetooth device with the car, or using this wire we can connect the Bluetooth device. You can see when we are connected, the power is on and we have to connect with the device as well. Now we take the iPad, we choose VW as a Volkswagen. Now confirm. It will be connected with the Bluetooth device. Now it's connected and you can see in the menu there are some other options: quick test, system scan, system selection, special function, online function, and so on. First we go for quick test. Let's see. No. In the quick test it will test automatically. It will try to find the fault code in your car. If you can see in the display, engine electronics, then brake electronics, everything okay. Diagnosis completed, and you can see in the everything is okay. Now we can go back and go for the special function. In special function we have many other options: reset service, brake part change, then other options as well. If you choose brake electronics, steering wheel electronics, steering assistance, whatever you want to check, you can choose, and the instruction will come on the screen and you follow the instruction and do it.